So this was our project this summer. We've lived here at our house for 20 years, and we decided that we wanted something different on our deck floor. My wife went online and she found what was called DekTek's tile. I had never heard of it, and she said, why don't we give it a try? So we researched it, and we found out that it was exactly the same thickness as what deck boards were. And I ripped up all of the old Trex boards, and then we put a band of AZAC, a new band of AZAC mahogany material around the entire perimeter, and it's the same thickness. It matches very well, and it coordinates. We have many little areas that are jutted back in, cozy areas that we've created, and we installed a new gas grill. And then we installed a fire pit down in the drop area there that sets down in. It's very simple to do. You simply glue this on after you install the framing, and it's beautiful. I would recommend DekTek's tile to anyone.